Bulacan, Santa Ana Park. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Apo Mystery, and on the outside, Sweet Victory moving up on the inside is Major Major. It is now Major Major in the lead, followed by Sweet Victory, and Life is Beautiful now moving up on the inside to take second. And at the mid-back stretch, Major Major by a length and a half, followed by Life is Beautiful on the outside in second. Is State of the Art running in third by 3.5 lengths, Sweet Victory. And entry number 4, Apo Mystery. And rounding the far turn, it's Major Major by half a length, followed by Life is Beautiful on the outside. State of the Art running in third by 5.5 lengths. And the last bend for home, the lead is taken over now by Life is Beautiful. Entry number 1, Major Major running in second. And in third, Sweet Victory, State of the Art, and Apo Mystery. And at the top of the stretch is still Life is Beautiful, entry number 1, the favorite. Running in second is Major Major, Sweet Victory moving up on the inside. And State of the Art, Apo Mystery. And finally at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 1, Life is Beautiful, Sweet Victory, Major Major, State of the Art, Apo Mystery.
Okay. Ganun eh. No?